Hey there, it's Jason from Codemanship with a short video about usage-driven design in test-driven development. So here's an example where I'm writing tests for calculating total of items in a shopping basket. And hopefully you can see in this demonstration the flow of test-driven design, the flow of this usage-driven design process. I use something in the test and that tells me that I need it. So I use a basket in the test assertion. That tells me that I need a basket object in the setup for my test. I instantiate a basket class. That tells me I need a basket class. I call a total method. That tells me I need a total method. So I use it in the test and then I work backwards from there. So I use it in the test and that tells me that I need it. So always working backwards from using things, from usage. And that's kind of the flow of the test-driven design process. So, for example, I use an item class, and that tells me that I need an item class. And then I call a constructor on the item class. That means that my item class needs a constructor that takes a quantity and a price. So always working backwards from the test, always working backwards from usage. And if you're going to go full on with this sort of test-driven, usage-driven approach, then I find it really helpful to actually start by writing the test assertion first and working backwards from there.